Hello students, today we are going to see that solution of the linear equation. The value which replaces a value in the equation so as to make the two sides of the equation equal is called as solution or a root of the equation. See, listen, the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. It will be coming up. From this form we have that example 2x is equal to 10. So listen, if 2x is equal to 10, what will be the unknown number, that is x. So first of all we should do that, we can know that LHS is equal to RHS, right? LHS is equal to RHS. So for that we have to do that. See, listen, x is equal to 10. It is in multiplication in the left hand side, then it will move on to right hand side, it will be the division. So if it is divided by 10, that is 10 is divided by 2, we get the number that is 5. Okay, so it is the solution of the equation so that no other value of x satisfies the equation. The one can say x is equal to 5, the solution of the equation is the solution of the equation. We can see the two methods. See, listen, that is the method of do and undo method. Okay, so do is nothing but it is the x is given, the number which is unknown number it is given, we have to produce that and to the equation. Then after this, this is do method. Then after this it will be coming as we have to calculate the unknown number, then we should do the undo method. Okay, so likewise we have to produce the equations. Okay, so listen, first of all we are going to have that undo method like that. See, listen, we are having that x minus 7 is equal to 6, right? X minus 7 plus 7. See, listen, this is we can add both the sides plus 7. Okay, it is additive identity. Okay, so listen, plus 7 and plus 7 if we add means we can get the number. So the other method also we are having. See, listen, 3 into x, it is equal to 51. We can divide it by both side by 3, or we can use this method also. See, listen, if we have the number x is, we have to get the solution for the x means we have to divide it by 5 by 3. So easily we can like that. See, listen, it is in multiplication, it will move on to right hand side, it will be turn on to division. Okay, then this as transposition method, this is also the transposition method. We are going to see that the shifting of a number. So do and undo method is like this. The shifting of number from one side of an equation to the other side, it is called the transposition method. Okay, so this method, it will be coming as a transposition method. So we are having the example of this. Let me see that a 3.6 Roman 3.6 exercise, fill in the blanks, true or false, and match the following. Okay, so first of all, children, fill in the blanks. What is this? See, listen, the value of x we have to calculate in the equation, this one. Okay, so we know that x is equal to x plus 5 is equal to 12. Then we can add those, we can give that. See, listen, if it is plus 5, we should add that minus 5. Okay, we should add minus 5 from both sides. We can get the number as x equal to, see, listen, this will be cancelled, while 12 minus 5 we get the answer x is equal to 7. We can use this method also, or we can use the transposition method. Okay, this is undo method. Then we can use the transposition method also. It will be easy for you. Likewise, you have to calculate the y. So listen, minus 9 is here, so we should move on this this minus 9 to the right hand side. It will be coming as plus 9. So plus 9 and plus 9 and plus 7, it will be, answer will be like that. Then after that, while answer minus 5, we get the answer as 11. Clear? Okay, now we are going to see that m is m in the equation. Then we have to calculate the m in the equation. Then 8m is equal to 56. 56 divided by 8, it will become 7. Okay, so likewise 2p divided by 3, it is equal to 10. It is p is equal to 15. The linear equation in one variable has one solution. So first of all, the shifting of a number from one side of the equation to other is called the transposition. It is true. Then linear equation in one variable has only one variable with power 2. Yes, it is false. So match the following. It will be x by 2, it is equal to 10. We get the answer as 20, because this will move on to right hand side, and then it will be multiplication, x is equal to 20. Then B sum, it is equal to, see, listen, we are having this we should calculate the value of x. So we have to turn on this minus 4 to this side. It will be coming as 4 plus 4. So that this number it will be coming as 24 is equal to 6x. Then the 6 it will be coming like this, means we can get the answer as x is equal to 6 4s are 24. So x is equal to 4. So b is equal to x is equal to 4. There is it. So likewise we have to calculate each and everything. So likewise is for C x is equal to 8 by 3. For D x is equal to minus 24. For E x is equal to 1. Clear? So likewise you have to calculate, students, the 4th, 5th and 6th sum. It will be coming for you. So after this linear equation in one variable, you have to write like this: P is equal to 2 into L plus B. So from this P, L, B, these are the variables. Okay. Then numerical value, we can say it as a constant. Do and undo method and transposition method. We are having two methods to calculate the x. See, listen. We have to add the additive inverse of that number. Then we can get the value of x. So likewise we have that 3x is equal to 51, x is equal to 51 divided by 3, then we can get the answer x is equal to 17. So this is a transposition method, this is the do and undo method. Clear? So likewise we have to do that. We have to write that 3.6 exercise. 2x minus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. So from left hand side we have to keep like this. Okay. So from left hand side we are having this. So we should move on to right hand side. If the minus 4, it will be move on to right hand side, it will be coming as plus 4. Then student, we have to calculate that 2x divided by 3 is equal to 10 divided by 3 plus 4. So listen, from this denominator is not same, so we have to calculate the LCM. Okay, so we have to do that 1 into 3 then into 3. We get the denominator as same. So listen, 2x divided by 3, we get the answer as 10 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by 3. Then after that 2x divided by 3, it is equal to, what is the number? 10 plus 2, it will be coming as what? 10 22. 22 divided by 3. Then we have to place the x value in left hand side. Then remaining 2 by 3, we should move on to right hand side. If we have moved that to right hand side, it will be reciprocal. What is that? It will be reciprocal. So 3 by 2. It will be coming as 3 by 2. From this we can easily say that 3 and 3 will be cancelled. Then 2 and 22 it will be cancelled. Then what is the answer of x? It is equal to 11. So likewise you have to do the second subdivision also. What is that second subdivision? This is the second subdivision. Y plus 1 by 6 minus 3y, it is equal to 2 by 3. From the book they have given us x and y, x and p. It is not x and p, it is x and y. Clear? So we are going to calculate y for this subdivision. So listen, y plus 1 by 6 minus 3y, it is equal to 2 by 3, right? So we have to place y minus 3y, we have to place in the left hand side. We should move this plus 1 by 6 to right hand side. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Then after that, while subtracting these numbers without any number the variable is having, means we should remember that is 1 is having with the coefficient of y. Clear? So 1y minus 3y, it will be coming as minus 2y. It is equal to, we have to take the LCM without the same denominator, we have to take the LCM. So listen, we have to multiple 2 into 3, we get the number that is 6. So we have to take the denominator same, then we get the number 6. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1. It will be coming as 3, is it? Yes. It will be coming as 3 divided by 6. So we can get the answer that is, see listen, from this we can get the answer as 1 by 2. Am I right? Yes, it is 1 by 2. Then y is equal to, we should move this number to this side. It will be minus 2 by 1. Then while moving on to right hand side, it will be coming as minus 1 by 2. Right? Yes, into it will be coming as like this, divided by 1. Is it right? So if minus 2, it will be coming like this. Here means it will be coming in division. So while moving on this to like this means It will be like this. Okay. So what is y? Y is equal to 1 divided by minus 4. So what is the answer? 1 divided by minus 4 is the answer for this sum. Then third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? See, listen. 1 divided by 3 minus x divided by 3. It is equal to 7x divided by 12 plus 5 divided by 4. See, listen. From this sum, we can say that we have to calculate x, right? Now, we are going to keep the x, that is like terms. It is x will be coming as a like terms. Then like terms we should move to right hand side. Okay, or otherwise we can move this to left hand side. 7x by 12 to left hand side. So better we should get the numerical value in one side, then other variables on the other side. Clear? Now we are going to take that numerical value 1 by 3 and minus 4 on one side, and 7x divided by 12 plus x by 3 on another side. Clear? Now we have to calculate that minus, see, listen, this is different denominator, right? So we have to calculate the same denominator. Then 4 3s are 12. Am I right? Yes, 4 3s are 12. While 4 3s are 12, 1 by 3 it will be coming as 4 into 4. Then minus 5 by 4 it will be coming as 3 into 3. So if we have calculated these two numbers, the denominator will be the same, 12. Then 4 minus 5. What is that? 4 minus 5. It is equal to 7x divided by 12 and x divided by 3. Here also the denominator is not same. 3 into 4. Then x into 4. Likewise we have to calculate. Then 7x plus 4x divided by 12. Clear? So from both sides we are having that denominator same. So it will be cancelled. Clear? So equal to இந்த பக்கமும் இருக்கிறது அந்த பக்கமும் இருக்கிறது 12 இருந்ததுன்னா we can cancel the both numbers. So what is the numerator? 4 minus 5 it will be coming as minus 1. 7 plus 4, what is the answer? 11. So 11x is the answer. While moving on to this side, see, listen, 5 3s are 15, right? So we have to write like this. So here also minus 11. So while moving on to this side, it will be coming like this. So what is answer? X is equal to minus 1. We have to write like this also. X is equal to minus 1. So students, we have calculated fourth sum, 3 subdivision. Write, copy it in your note. We will see fifth and sixth subdivision next session. Okay, thank you.